Hi there, friends. Welcome to our fun and exciting animal adventure. Today, we are going to learn the names of 50 different animals from all around the world. Are you ready? Let's go on an animal safari. Let's start with some animals you might see on a farm. These animals help farmers and live near people. 1. Cow. Cows give us milk. 2. Pig. Pigs love to roll in the mud. 3. Chicken. Chickens lay eggs. 4. Horse. Horses can run fast. 5. Sheep. Sheep have soft, woolly fur. 6. Goat. Goats love to climb and eat grass. 7. Duck. Ducks love to swim. 8. Donkey. Donkeys are strong and can carry heavy loads. 9. Turkey. Turkeys gobble, gobble, gobble. 10. Rabbit. Rabbits are small, fluffy, and love to hop. Wow! We've learned the names of 50 amazing animals today. You did such a great job. Which animal was your favorite? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time, friends.